So every Foley kit comes with hand sanitizer and either wipes for the perineal area or Castile soap wipes. Start hand hygiene. I'm going to get non-sterile gloves. Begin with my towelettes. Cleanse the area of where I'm working. Opening my kit, starting with the flap that is furthest away from me. Side, side, closest. So I don't contaminate the inside of my kit opening it. Switch out my non-sterile gloves, only touching the area of my gloves. I've draped out my area where I'm working. I'm going to start setting up the kit, finding the lube. I like to pull the plunger out because I think it creates less mess and a nice space for your Foley to sit. Hook up the water that will blow up my balloon and make sure nothing is stuck so it won't be difficult to do the Foley once I start with one hand. Loosen it up. Take my betadine kit. I like to do that last so I don't make a big mess in the beginning because it's very messy. My non-dominant hand, I am right-handed, so I'll take my left hand and begin starting in the middle and pinwheeling out. Once you've begun, you cannot go back, so new swab, start in the middle, pinwheel out. I'm ready to do my insertion. If at any point you meet resistance, stop. For males, you want to take it all the way to the hub of the catheter and wait for urine return. I see urine return. I take my non-dominant hand, blow up the balloon, disconnect, pull back until I meet resistance. And then I break down my kit.